We are here in Newcastle, actually in Hamilton. So this Hamilton is actually the area where is the train station. Yeah, going to Sydney. I'm going to the Volkswagen. I'm going to have this change the timing belt because it's already reached 120. Yeah, the speedometer. Actually, I don't know how much it is going to cost. Yeah, the last time I heard from the guy over there is 1,000, maybe 1,000 or 2,000 something. Yeah, because if you remember, I had this vehicle service last November. The guy already suggesting me to change the timing belt when it was still 118 or 117 kilometers. But on the manual, actually, should be 120 kilometers. I already spent a lot of money recently for this vehicle. And we are now here at the Volkswagen. Actually, yeah, the vehicle is over there. Yeah, and it will cost $1,700. Very expensive. Very expensive. It's alright. That is the cost of safety. Spending money is better than worrying about your driving, you know. Yeah. So you know this area, it's called the cluster. They have this cluster Ford. This one is cluster Volkswagen, cluster Mitsubishi, cluster Suzuki, cluster Hyundai, and yeah, cluster Suzuki is where I got my Suzuki Jimny before. The time is 7:40, and the guy said, yeah, probably it's going to fix by 4 o'clock. Yeah, so I'm going to walk around here in Newcastle, sit in a restaurant, and I don't know, walk around. I was there at the morning market cafe. Yeah, just editing some design for a cup. I was there for maybe 2 hours. And when I'm getting out, yeah, I feel shy that I stayed there for a long time just having one coffee. And oh, actually I spent $14. Yeah, a coffee and a croissant. It is actually here in the Newcastle interchange. This Newcastle interchange, this is the last stop of the train coming from Sydney. On the other side is the tram that is going to Newcastle Beach. Oh, you know, there are some people asking me, yeah, which one to choose between Newcastle and Wollongong. Yeah, because you know Wollongong is almost the same distance as Newcastle. Yeah, and based on my observation, actually I never been so many times in Wollongong, so I don't know really much about Wollongong, but based on my observation, Newcastle is so much place to go to here in Newcastle, especially shopping center. There are different areas with the shopping centers here in Newcastle area. Of course, parks and yeah, places of interest. That is the Filipino restaurant, the Palace in Newcastle, but yeah, looks like it is closed. Yeah, I think it's closed. We go this way. There is this Ibis restaurant, I mean Ibis hotel. It says that they have all-day dining and breakfast buffet. Yeah, I'll try the all-day dining. Yeah, I went inside, but on the menu they don't have the one that I like. And it's actually juicy. Very nice. Yeah, I was actually coming from inside of this building, and there is this library. I was not aware that this is actually a library. Yeah, when I read it, it's Newcastle Library. Yeah, and so I went inside, speak to the reception. Yeah, very nice. So I was inside for around 2 hours, 3 hours, and then I come back, and now I received the call from Volkswagen. It is almost 3:30. Yeah, they said that the one is ready for pickup. This MG motor and Skoda. Look at some of the houses here. Oh, there is a backpacker guest house here. Oh, I did not know that. I thought the only backpacker guest house here in Newcastle is the one in Newcastle Beach. And on the other side, modern apartment. There is a wide road, and so the vehicle is parked like this. You know, the inland Australia, inland town, inland city. Yeah, like Wagga Wagga, they have a very wide roads. That's one thing I noticed when I did my road trip before. Oh, one more road to go to Volkswagen. Not this one. This is another good thing here in Australia. There's a lot of trees. Yeah, but yeah, actually also in Manila, when I am seeing the the rain is stronger now. Need to run. So we are here. Let me show you the new kind of Volkswagen van. Look at this. How beautiful is this? This is the interior. Three. And inside is like that. Wow, it looks very luxurious. And the infotainment system is a big monitor. Yeah, nice. If I'm not mistaken, this one is an electric vehicle, because it is charging, as I can see from there. And there is also a camera. Yeah, and the wheel is big. Yeah, look at that. And yeah, look inside. Looks very expensive. Amazing. Thank you.
No ice.
Yeah, there is another color which is white. This one is the one that really good for us camper van, because actually this one looks is smaller than the Volkswagen Transporter. Yeah, very nice. But I am not going to get something like this, because yeah, I prepared the Volkswagen Crafter. Taller, higher, bigger. I actually paid 1,925. Yeah. Yeah, so basically they also fixed the window and yeah, the mudguard at the back. If you remember, it was broken. Yeah. A lot of money. Good thing I have a lot of money. Yeah, good thing. Yeah, I'm prepared for something like that. It's alright. Wait, okay, let's go. And we are now here at the McDonald's here in Williamtown, near the airport, Nelson Bay Road. Yeah, I stopped here because I'm hungry. Yeah. When I was in Newcastle, I was thinking of eating in the Thai restaurant. Then I realized that I actually have a rice meal here. Yeah, I have this rice and curry. Yeah, and I'm going to put it here Because you know, even if it says that microwave defrost and freezer safe, yeah, I'm still having a little doubt still about the chemical on the plastic. Look at this, is a lot of price. Yeah, it smells good, this curry. And this is actually the last curry, but I have 5 more rice. This is actually where I sleep last night, in McDonald's. Yeah, I did not have a good sleep here last night because yeah, from time to time there is a truck or a vehicle is coming and I can hear the sound